Omdat ik dat zeg! Het is goed!
Out of nowhere, flames start coming out of the bike.
Set on fire.
Move it. Push it forward. Put the kickstand down. Kick it down.
Okay.
Yeah, we're okay.
My bike caught on fire.
In just seconds, a perfect ride turns into chaos. This whole argument started when a biker cut right in front of a car. A small rock flew up and cracked the driver's window.
You broke my window right now. My wife is with me and my kids with me.
Oh, I did it.
Yes, you did. I got witnesses, man. You want to call the cops? Where? The window next, stupid. You want to call the cops on you, man? Yes, you did. When you cut us, when you cut his ass, yeah.
No, you didn't hit us, but
Oh, well, my bad, bro.
No, bro, I want your insurance. I want your insurance. That's all I want.
You didn't have no wreck.
Huh?
You didn't wreck.
No, you broke my window.
I didn't break shit.
You fucking rocks, dude.
Let me see your window.
Oh, okay. Let me call the cops, see what
Let
happened.
me see your window.
See my window.
Now they're both blaming each other, and things are getting heated.
Don't help me like what you did, man.
I don't.
Yeah, you did. Look. Chatter all over right here.
Thanks. Damn.
Look inside. E. Call the cops, Papa. We got his plates anyways. You want to call it when I act stupid? We act stupid. And we got you on video too. Look at what? There's a little thing, but you guys up.
Okay, but that's the thing.
And over here too.
Listen,
Okay?
hey, listen, bro. If I would have known, I would have stopped, bro.
No, I've been telling you bro to stop, and I've
Okay,
been
bro,
following.
I
And you
can't.
saw me.
Okay,
You saw
bro,
me
I'm
telling you.
different, man.
You saw me telling you. Right now I'm pissed off because look.
I know. Hey,
You could have caused an accident. If that rock would have been bigger.
I understand.
Okay,
I
you guys are acting stupid driving up there.
I understand.
Acting stupid.
I know, man. I'm sorry.
And I know, hey, trust me, I drive motorcycles too, okay? I know what it is to drive a bike.
Listen,
I don't act stupid like that. Especially when you're cutting people off like that.
Okay. Hey, I get it.
All right, give me the insurance.
I'm
That's
sorry.
all I want.
I get it.
And if the insurance doesn't want to cover it, then let it be. All right?
Take
Hey.
pictures of that, because there ain't shit there.
Yeah, if the doesn't want to do it,
He's just trying to scam you.
oh yeah? Go for it. Leave. Papa, get on the car.
That's all he's doing, trying to scam you.
No.
Don't listen to this.
You want to sell scam? The reason I did this is because I want to get the point that what he did is wrong.
I know, hey.
Wrong.
I know, hey.
All right?
And I
Not because I
understand.
want to
There
scam
ain't
him.
no damage to your car,
It's
dude.
a fucking damage, dude. A little thing like that. That's gonna f up things later on. Okay? If you have a brand new Mercedes, you think that is gonna let you go? If this car was a Lamborghini, you think that shit is gonna be like that?
There ain't shit
no.
there, dude.
Okay, no. There is shit there. It is shit there. Okay?
Uh-oh! Class! This argument started over bikers racing and blocking the road, leading to a major clash with locals.
Wat er maar lekker in België doen. Ja?
Wil alsjeblieft doorrijden.
Controleer je band, man.
We hebben mijn kanttekens en al. Wees blij om 8 worden.
Ja, maar dat geeft niet.
8 worden.
Hou op.
Opdonderen.
Hé,
8 worden. Omdat ik dat zeg.
Het is goed. Ze
Anders heb je een probleem.
Je gaat door. Jij gaat naar huis. Nu.
8 worden, jongen.
Ga naar huis.
Handen los.
Ga alsjeblieft.
Klootzakken.
Nee, kijk nou.
Dit is de laatste keer, hè, maat. 8 worden, hoor. Ik kom er nog weer naar Pieter, maat. 8 worden.
Even though things were getting out of control, a woman stepped in and managed to calm the situation down. It started when a driver blocked the lane in traffic and quickly turned into a heated argument.
Bike lane! Use your eyes! You're blocking the bike lane, I went around you. What's your problem?
Back in my cab.
You bang.
Move. Bastard.
You fuck off, get the fuck back in your car. SM65 JCV.
Stuck in traffic, a pickup and a biker, one move and it all went wrong.
Hey,
plate. Okay. It's gonna be a minute, but I'm sorry. Now you my plate. Now you my plate. You're my plate.
This argument started over speeding and a risky pass. The driver got triggered and things escalated fast.
You want me to? Well, let's do it. Yeah, let's do it.
The driver pulled over first, then the argument started.
What the fuck is your goddamn problem, you stupid idiot?
Dude, come on, man.
Speed limit's 40.
I was doing 40.
Be a goddamn dick on your little moped.
Man, come on, just relax, dude. I'm not in a mood.
Go past me like you. Dude, speed limit's 40.
I was doing, I think,
50.
hey, I think I was doing 45.
No, you were doing faster than that. If I didn't have goddamn time to you go home on your little bitty bike.
Hey, dude, come on, man. There's no need for that.
Go home on your little gay tank bike.
There's no need for that.
Lady driver cut in front, one close call, and tempers flared instantly.
What the f are you doing?
Why did you brake? I was stopping.
You just ran into me.
I stopped so you could keep going and you pressed on your brake, or your acceleration.
You don't turn when traffic's going straight.
I apologize.
You're like, yeah, don't knock you the f out.
I apologize. I stopped. It wasn't. I did not mean to do that. I stopped. I apologize. I stopped.
If someone's going straight, you don't turn.
I noticed my mistake and I stopped. Let's pull over. Like pull over.
They stop in front, and the biker makes the lady see that cutting ahead was her error.
I ain't got no damage to my shit, but smashed the f out of my foot.
I apologize.
It's all good.
I'm sorry.
Just watch out, all right?
Dude, I'm so sorry.
It's all good.
Biker gets rear-ended while waiting in traffic. But the driver ends up blaming the biker.
Oh! What the fuck are you? Did you not? What the fuck are you doing?
You clipped first.
You don't have a bike up the arse. Ah! I'm so sorry. You fucking idiot. Stop here, man. Oh! Ah! There's a fucking line. Ah! We're back. I haven't got reverse gear! Get in your car! I'll come speak to you in a minute.
Yeah, come on then.
Tight space near roadworks, and a close call turned into an argument.
Stupid, mate. Do you not see that roadworks?
Hey, man.
Do you not see the roadworks?
Hit people's property,
If
mate.
you're close enough for me to hit your car, you're driving like a c.
Don't hit my car, mate.
How about don't drive close to me, you prick? Do you not see? Do you not see the roadworks?
Don't push me, mate. And don't bang on people's property.
Okay, and then don't swerve.
Did I hit you? Did I hit you? Did I hit you? If I ever thought I was getting too close to you, I would have blown my car into that centre barrier. I would never have hit you.
Or you can just wait.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Wait a few seconds.
Look at the size of your car. Slow down, you prick.
This started with horns and shouting and turned into a heated argument.
No, you're a freaking off. Get out of your
Hope you had fun watching. Smash that like button, subscribe, and don't miss the next video on your screen.